Hey guys, Clint here, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to do mountain climbers. Now I'm going to show you a couple of variations, especially if you don't like the classic way of doing mountain climbers. But I see a lot of people doing them with bad form, so I'm going to show you how to do them correctly. And hopefully you enjoy the video. Let me show you. Alright, so these are exercises we're going to do on the floor. If you have trouble getting on the floor, mountain climbers might not be for you. Or you can still modify some of these that you can do where your hands are on a chair, feet are on the floor, so it's a much different angle. But that's a different video, so if you're interested in that, just tell me in the comment box below and I'll show you that video. But for this one, we're going to do these on the floor. You're basically starting off in the push-up position. So your hands are not too wide or too close, mainly because you don't want to fatigue the muscles that are basically just stabilizing to hold yourself up. But my knees are going to stay inward of the hands. Meaning if my hands are shoulder width apart, my knees are going to stay within that width. And I just go as quickly as I can. So the goal is to try not to get the butt up in the air. Like a downward dog, you got to keep the butt down, but you don't want the hips going towards the floor and compromise bad form. You may not injure yourself, but there's a possibility whenever you use improper form and technique on things. But once again, you can modify these to make them harder or easier, but this video is about trying to do good form. Alright, on this modified one, I'm going to keep my knees on the outside part of my wrists and elbows. And as you can see, one foot's out. So I'm going to have to hop and switch. Hop and switch. Just like that. Alright, so another modified one, and this is quite a bit. I don't know if I would even call this a mountain climber, but you try to keep one leg up and only one hand. And I'm going to switch. So this hand goes down, this leg crossover puts down, and the other leg stays up in the air. And I just switch. So you only have 2 points of contact on the ground the whole time. One hand and the opposite foot. So it's a good one. So hopefully this video is helpful. One of the benefits of doing mountain climbers is it does use a lot of muscle groups, which means it's going to get the heart rate up. It's not what I would call resistance training per se, even though you are using body weight, but doesn't require any equipment unless you have to modify it and use a chair. But if you're using just your body, then it's a great way to get your heart rate up, improve balance and coordination with a pretty safe and effective exercise that you can do if you're already in good enough shape to do it. So hopefully you are, and hopefully this was beneficial to you. All right guys, we'll see you next time.